What should we do then?
The crowd asked. John answered,
Anyone who has 2 shirts should share with the one who has none, and anyone who has food should do the same.
Even tax collectors came to be baptized.
Teacher,
They asked,
what should we do?
Don't collect any more than you are required to.
he told them. Then some soldiers asked him.
And what should we do?
He replied,
Don't extort money and don't accuse people falsely. Be content with your pay.
The people were waiting expectantly and were all wondering in their hearts if John might possibly be the Messiah. John answered them all,
I baptize you with water, but one who is more powerful than I will come, the thongs of whose sandals I am not worthy to untie. He will baptize you with the Holy Spirit and fire. His winnowing fork is in his hand to clear his threshing floor and to gather the wheat into his barn, but he will burn up the chaff with unquenchable fire.
And with many other words, John exhorted the people and proclaimed the good news to them.